Hey everyone, it's great to see you. I'm out here looking at my daylilies and there's like literally one bud over there that's left. It's so sad. Daylily season is just about over. And I have another issue with my daylily leaves, and this has happened to me before, so I knew not to worry too much about it, but you might be noticing the same thing on your daylily leaves. These daylily leaves have these little tiny white lines going up the leaves, and they look very distinctive. They're little white lines, and this is caused by the daylily leaf miner. So in the spring, a type of fly, a little tiny black fly that you really don't see, lays its eggs on the daylily leaves, and those eggs hatch, and the little larva starts to eat your daylily leaves, and it eats in a little row all up your leaf here, and that's why they call it a leaf miner. It's literally eating and mining out that green part of your tasty daylily leaves and leaves a little track behind. So, you know, once again, aesthetically, not really what you want to see in your daylilies. It's probably not going to permanently harm your daylilies, but there are some things you can do. So first of all, of course, any of the leaves that are dying here, you want to make sure you're cleaning those up regularly. We never want to leave anything just laying around the bottom where further insects can be harbored. The other thing is you can spray these with spinosad. And spinosad is pretty harmless to most things, not particularly bees though, so you want to be careful how you use it. Now, spinosad will take care of lots of different insects that are going to be bothering your daylilies, including your thrips. So I think it's a great choice, and I choose to use the Bonide Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew, which you can get already mixed up. That's what I do in a little spray bottle, and you just spray it on the top and the bottom of your leaves. The problem is you have to keep it up throughout the season, every 10 to 14 days, which for me, I started this year really good and then sort of slacked off, and sure enough, we have the leaf miners back. Now, if you do use Captain Jack's Dead Bug, you want to make sure that you're using it in the evening once the bees are not out, because it is most toxic to the bees when it is wet. So you want to do it so it has that overnight period to dry before the bees come out again. And you also really want to spray it on when you think there's not going to be any rain for the next 24 hours. That way you're getting the most bang for your buck. It really can do its job. So in the evening, with no rain in the forecast, and then you have to mark it on your calendar so you make sure you really spray those plants well. And we know how daylily leaves are. Getting the top and the bottom of the leaves, it's quite a process. So I would say if your leaves have leaf miner tracks in them right now, we're towards the end of the season, you're going to be cutting these back anyway, clean them up really well, and then next spring start fresh. But no need to really worry about it at this moment. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.